Sid here, back again with another video. In this video I am going to show you first code in Laravel 8. So how to write a first code in Laravel 8. So let's start. So I have already installed in Laravel 8 in my machine. If you don't know how to install Laravel 8, you can check my previous video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. This is a folder structure basically in Laravel 8. You can check here. So look here, we have app. Inside the app folder we have the models. Okay, so basically this is a basic understanding how the Laravel 7 is different between the Laravel 8 something. Okay, so now I'm going to show you here. The first page is loading from here, resource, view, and welcome.blade.php. This is a Laravel 8 basically. You can check here. So if you want to change something like this here, so if you want to create a new page, suppose I am going to create new page, or real programmer dot blade dot php. Okay, so I want to same copy and paste something here. Here is the Laravel 8, so I want to change here. Okay, I want to change here like real programmer Laravel 8. So let's this is the first page basically. Okay, so now I'm going to change here here web.php. so I want to change here, first page is real programmer. Now check, you can check we have the real programmer some things. Now if you want to change something, anything else, I'm going to inspect here to change background color, anything else. So you can check from here. Suppose we have the background color which is using this one. So if you want to change, then you can select whatever color you want to do that, like this one. Suppose I want this one, suppose line number 14. This is a background color basically. Where is background color? Let me check again. We have media and dark something, this one. So check this one here, background color is this one. Suppose if you want to change this one, then you need to put here. Again refresh the page, might be this one is working, background color RGB. Let me check. Look, this is working fine. Okay, so suppose you can change from here anything you want to change here, like if you want to change the logo and anything, so you can do that like this one. Okay, so this is the first program, so you can check from this video. And if you want to create a controller or functions, I will show you every step by step. So this is a basic program in Laravel 8. Okay, thank you for watching this video.